Hello, guys. This video will show you how to hide or unhide a product in DSers. Let's learn how to hide products first. Log into your DSers dashboard and access the My Products page. To hide a single product, click the More icon on the product card of the product that you want to hide and hit the Hide Product icon. In the pop-up, enter Confirm and click Confirm. To hide multiple products, select the checkboxes on the product cards and click the Hide icon on the navigator bar. In the pop-up, enter Confirm and click Confirm. If successful, the product will be marked as hidden at the top center of the product card. Also, you can unhide a hidden product. Still on the My Products page, locate the hidden product that you want to unhide. Click the More icon on the product card of the product you want to unhide and click the Unhide Product icon. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to our support team. Happy dropshipping!